Hey, I'm Logan, founder of Azoth Corp, and today I'd like to introduce Elpis, our AI life coach companion. Enjoy.
Elpis, that's me, isn't any old AI. He has a rich personality to go alongside his mission. And he isn't just a source of repetitive digital encouragement either. Instead, Elpis is being designed as a real long-term supportive companion, one who employs evidence-based life coaching techniques, and one that helps users set clear goals, brainstorm strategies, and stay motivated. And also gives them someone endlessly encouraging to talk to about anything. We're excited by all of the interest in Elpis. Under a different name, we originally pitched Elpis to Y Combinator and other investors last year, but ended up shelving the project when nobody was interested. But the idea stayed with us, and we are so enthusiastic about how it has flourished during our participation in Buildspace. You can follow us on Twitter and sign up for our waitlist to stay updated. Our development has been smoothly proceeding, and we intend to begin sending out alpha invites in the coming weeks. Thank you, and please look forward to it.